Asian markets, they're lower in early trade. A large part of the Nikkei's cuts could also be attributed to the strength that we saw in the yen.
Forecasts of a contraction of India's financial year 21 GDP are clustering around 4 to 5%.
Put call ratio is at 1.87. The India VIX is trading at the March breakout level of 24.
As the supply issues have improved, the demand also correspondingly went up for categories like skin.
The Nifty as well started off at that 0.6 gain and has rapidly come down now.
Had a 7 to 8% kind of correction that has happened in the dollar. And this leads to money flowing on into the risk-on assets.
First, you need to make sure that the NPAs and the bad books are ring-fenced.
Right now, the market does have a fair amount of momentum thanks to, again, the big stocks.
The other expenses have fallen substantially to 268 crores in this quarter versus 561 crores last quarter.
Investec believes that, in case the Supreme Court allows further stake sale in Hindustan Zinc, there is a possibility of a complete delisting.
We're at 11,108. It's down about 55 points.
Okay, the markets after a long time seeing a bit of a sell-on rally, at least on the Nifty. The Bank Nifty is still okay, but the Nifty is down about 55 points. And of course, there's Axis Bank, which is trying to bat for the bulls. ITC is trying to bat for the bulls. But a couple of stocks like Lever, Infosys, L&T ahead of numbers, they have seen some profit taking. Now, you could blame it on the global cues, but we have off late decoupled. So let's see. It's going to be a crucial last hour of trade. Let's see if this dip gets bought or not. Surabhi is with me. Surabhi, hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Anuj. After a very long time, after 4 months, it's good to have you here in the studio with me. What thoughts on the move today, 11,100? Today on the upside, barring maybe a Reliance, when you don't have too many bigger stocks that are contributing and batting for the upside, what do you make of it? Is it just a pause?
No, I think we made this point at this open today, Surabhi, that perhaps today could be a bit of a reversal day because the market may want to shake out some of the weak hands. Also, this whole news between US and China, the consulate news in Houston, I think that's not going down too well. So let's see. As of now, the market, we are hardly down 50 points on the Nifty. Yes, from the highest point, we're down quite a bit. But on the Bank Nifty, we are still in the green. So that way, no damage done as far as the overall texture of the market is concerned. But the put call ratio was at 1.87. As we speak, it's at 1.65. Now, if the overbought nature corrects without the market falling so much, I think that's good news. If you had told me at the start of the day that put call ratio will fall from 1.87 to 1.64, I would have thought the market would fall 100 points, but the market's only fallen 57 points. So that way, I think the texture is still intact. It's just that perhaps the market may want to shake off some of the weak hands. Also, perhaps the weekly expiry factor also may come into picture tomorrow. So as of now, you'll have to say that this is some profit taking. This is the zone 11,000 to 11,100, where perhaps if you again start to see some buying, I think the market would resume its uptrend. But if you break the 11,000, then I think we would revisit that.
Okay, let's see how things play up. Right now, the Nifty Bank is very, very interestingly poised. Absolutely flat. Let's see if it starts making any move, any big directional move of the next 1 hour. Here's what's lined up on closing bell today. It's been a very range-bound day with the market mostly spending most of its time around the flat line today. Global cues have not been very supportive. There's some red on the global screens as well. For us, of course, the Nifty Bank very flat, as we just said. The correction is playing out on the Nifty and the Sensex for the time being. We'll discuss all these trends with our fundamental experts, SP Tulsian of sptulsian.com, as well as Prakash Devan. Now, the Nifty is just about 10% away from its peak. Is this rally simply going to march on? And if that's the case, what shifts do you need to make to your portfolio? What is the big call at Morgan Stanley? Well, the big man himself is joining in Rhythm Desai with his views on this ferocious rally. And of course, along with all of that, trading calls and technical ideas for the last hour coming up with the experts Ashwini Gujral and Mitesh Thakkar.
Okay.